Just quickly before this video continues, I just wanted to say that I'm not sponsored by Monster. It's just a drink I like to have at night time while I'm making my videos and I'm in my home lab. And I just want to clear that message up saying I'm not promoting Monster, I'm not paid by Monster. It's just a drink that I like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hi guys, welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ, and today's video is a little bit of a story in a nutshell of what is Home Lab Networks and how it come about. So me and my brothers had a business idea, and it was pretty much just computer maintenance, computer servicing as a side hustle from our normal work. We said we'll sit on it for 12 months, and if we want to still do it within the next 12 months, we'll make a start of it. So 12 months passed and we still wanted to do it more than ever, and so started writing up a business plan and what we actually wanted to do and what areas we covered, as it was three of us and we all know different areas of IT very well. As I know a lot of home labs and networking, my brother knows graphic design, and then my other brother knows something else. And so then we had to register a business name and all that stuff. I just put Home Lab and Networks together and that became our business name. We didn't like it at first, but over time we have grown with it, and I actually really like it now. And so then at the time I was watching Network Chuck, and I was watching his review on the Synology NAS, and I bought the NAS the next day, and that's how my home lab started, with my rack and other equipment. And then I started watching Craft Computing, Jeff, Techno Tim and Radar, and they're all big home labbers, and that really got me inspired to build up my home lab. And I built it up very, very quickly within months, which would normally take a person maybe a year or two. I did it stupidly and I spent a lot of money very quickly, but I'm very proud of what I've built, what I've created in my home. And so now that YouTube's going extremely well within a short period of time, we are focusing a lot more on the YouTube side of things, growing the channel, growing the subscribers and views, as every day we look and the channel just grows amazingly, and we can't thank you guys enough. And look, it is a lot of work, but we're prepared to do that, and all we do is work. So with YouTube going well, our little business idea could possibly be a side hustle, or YouTube will be the side hustle and we'll go full time on the business around our area. I live about 4 hours away from my brothers. My brothers live in Melbourne, Australia, and so we'll travel back and forth to jobs and clients. And we do have a few jobs wanting to be done by people, which is awesome. Thank you very much. But all in all, both sides of the business is going well. And that's pretty much the story in a nutshell of Home Lab Networks and how the name came about and what we do, what we enjoy. And you guys seem to enjoy the videos, and that means the world to us. We'll keep posting and we'll keep you updated on the website and the online store, so be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for that. I'm very active on Twitter about YouTube and the business, so keep an eye out. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.